गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज यूनिट 5th एफएम फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स डायमेंशनल एंड मॉडल एनालिसिस। Dimension and model analysis is a method of dimension. It is a technique used in research work for design and for conducting model tests. It deals with the dimension of the physical quantities involved in phenomena. For example, velocity is denoted by distance per unit time. Velocity equal to distance upon time is the dimension form L by L upon T. Second, density. Density is denoted by rho. Density by mass per unit volume. Density equal to mass upon volume is the dimension quantities m divided by L to the power 3. Third, acceleration. Acceleration by distance per second square. Acceleration small a equal to distance upon time square. इधर dimension quantities equal to L upon T का square. Few physical quantities is denoted force symbolic form F, dimensional units M L T to the power minus 2, weight symbol form W, dimension form M L T to the power minus 2. Density rho, dimension form M L to the power minus 3. Dynamic viscosity is denoted form mu, dimension quantities dimension form M L to the power minus 1 T to the power minus 1. Specific weight small w, denoted form small w, dimension form M L to the power minus 2 T to the power minus 2. For determine the dimension, few determines the dimension. First, angular velocity. Angular velocity is denoted from small w. Angular velocity is equal to angle covered in radian divided by time, equal to 1 upon t, denoted from t to the power minus 1. Angular acceleration is equal to radian per second square. Is radian is 1 and time is t, is the dimension form t to the power minus 2. Discharge Q is equal to area into velocity. Area in length into breadth. तो L का स्क्वायर, velocity L upon T is the dimension unit L to the power 3 T to the power minus 1. Kinetic viscosity is denoted form to nu. Nu is equal to mu upon rho. Tau is equal to mu du by dy. Tau is a shear stress. Mu is the dynamic viscosity. Du change in velocity with respect to time. Du by dy velocity gradient. Is the mu equal to tau du by dy. Tau equals shear stress. Change in velocity L upon T into 1 upon L. Mu is equal to shear stress. Shear stress is equal to force upon area. Mu is equal to force upon area upon 1 upon T. Mu is equal to force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mu is equal to mass into acceleration divided by area into time. Is the put the value of dimension. Mu is equal to m into L upon T का square divided by L का square into 1 upon T. Is to solve the m L divided by L square T का square into 1 upon T. It is the dimension quantity. Kinetic viscosity is equal to m L to the power minus 1 T to the power minus 1. Rho is equal to mass upon volume is the dimension form m L to the power 3 is equal to m L to the power minus 3. So nu equal to the kinematic viscosity, nu equal to mu upon rho is the dimension form L square T to the power minus 1. Next, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is the dimension form m L T to the power minus 2. Specific weight specific weight equal to weight upon volume, the force upon volume form. It is the specific weight is the dimension form m l t to the power minus 2 t to the power minus 2.